I wanted to quickly go over what you're expected to do in problems 3 and 4. It's basically putting things together that we have already done, but you're going to have to find the z-score by using the formula. And I have it somewhere. Here's the formula for your z-score. You're going to plug the values in, find the z-score, and then instead of putting it into Excel like we just did in the previous video, you're going to look it up on the table. So I'm just going to work one of these. So the mean is 122 and the standard deviation is 22. And I'm going to work the first one. What is the probability that a randomly selected value from the population is between 103 and 131? So we have to do two z-scores, one for 103 and one for 131. In the end, we're going to find the probability of each and subtract out the probability of the smaller one to get the probability of it being in between. So here we have 103 minus 122 divided by 22, and over here we have 131 minus 122 divided by 22. So you're going to get the z-value for both of these, and you're going to round to 2 decimal places. Look up those values on the table. 86. Negative 0.801, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.1949. And I just realized that the 0.6 is down here to look at. 0.1949. And that is the probability that z is less than negative 0.86. And now let's find the probability that z is less than 0.41. So this time it's going to be on the positive table. .41 would be 0.6554. Wait, that's 0.40. 0.41, 0.6591. To find the area in between, you take the probability of the larger and subtract out the probability of the smaller. And when you subtract, you get 0.4642. And the answer tolerance here is either of those, so they may allow you to actually use technology and it be right. We can look real quick and see. Let's do the z-value that we had. We had a z-value of 0.1949. No, we had a z-value of 0.86 negative. And then let's do our z-value for the other one. It was 0.6591. Wait, nope. The z-value was 0.41. I keep putting in the wrong number. And we want it to be cumulative. And let's just see if we can get the right answer. 0.4642. So it would work if you want to, if you would rather use Excel instead of the table, you can do that. I would recommend trying to work it the way the homework's asking you to work it, just so you can get used to both ways. Okay, so this video should help you work problems 3 and 4, where you are given your values, you're given x, and you have to find z in order to look it up on the table.